Hey, Trent here, and in this episode of The Interviewer, I will be discussing the topic of AP Bio with students from Mission Viejo, California.
So let's begin with the before questions. What did these students think a year ago? How do you feel about AP Bio? What inspired you to take the class?
As of now, I have an 89.9 in chemistry. I feel that with the AP Bio curriculum, I will be able to get the A that I deserve. The A that is rightfully mine!
I feel AP Bio on a spiritual level. I'm inspired by the knowledge of life. Life is beautiful, and I want to know how it works, why it works.
They just put me here. I don't even think I'm supposed to be in this class.
Question number 2. Are you comfortable with your prior knowledge of biology?
Most definitely. I got 100% both semesters in regular bio. I already got the book! I'm studying now!
I got a B in bio first year. I can do. I'll wing it. I'll do whatever. I'll learn because I want to know. I think I'm comfortable with my spiritual knowledge of the subject. I can do it.
Well, I got 2 A's both semesters of freshman year, so this year should be pretty good. I mean, how hard can it be?
Question number 3. How do you think AP Bio will affect you in the future?
I'll get an A in this class, and it'll lead me straight on the road to 5.2.
I think it will affect me deep inside. I think I'll transcend beyond the shackles of ignorance, and I'll finally be truly in touch with my inner living being, with the organisms around me, and with life, humanity, life.
Well, I mean, it looks good for colleges if I get a good grade in that class. And who knows? Maybe I'll be a doctor. I can be the next Dr. Oz.
Question 4. Do you think you'll be successful in this class?
Really? Did you really just ask me that?
I think a better question would be, do I think this class will be successful in me? And I think it will.
Well, I'm not really even eligible for this class. Technically, I wasn't supposed to be here. But, anything could happen.
Now let's get into the after questions. How do they feel about it now? So question number 1. Was AP Bio the class you expected it to be? Explain.
Well, I got an A both semesters. I expected that.
I didn't transcend. Life is nothing but a bunch of random interactions between molecules and chemical reactions, and there's nothing about it but just a bunch of molecules. This is nothing. You are nothing. Life is nothing.
AP Bio honestly wasn't what I was really thinking it was going to be. I mean, the curriculum's hard and everything, but it's an AP class. What else would you expect? There's a specific amount of work that's required, but it's all really done in class. There's not really anything that you take home or anything. It's just you work in class and then you go home to review it. And maybe if I had done that, I would have gotten an A both semesters. Should have known better. But I did get a B, but I should have studied more.
Question 2. What was the class about? What did you learn? What kind of things did you do? Give examples.
I learned a lot about the cell cycle, DNA replication, cell checkpoints, and DNA from the informative lectures and Bozeman videos. With this knowledge, I was able to cure cancer and leukemia.
Masha, leukemia is a type of cancer.
Well, I cured them both!
Sorry about my breakdown earlier. It's about how life works and what it's comprised of, and it's really interesting. I mean, it's in a different way than the way I expected. It's beautiful. We are randomness in the shape of order. It's pretty cool.
The class pretty much covered a number of biological concepts, but mainly I really want to focus on the ones we did labs about. We did one about bacterial transformations, which focused on prokaryotic reproduction, and then we did one on population ecology, which showed how deviations from the Hardy-Weinberg principle showed how a population would evolve. And then we did a lab where my project partner brought cockroaches of all animals. Some people brought ladybugs, some people brought roly-poly bugs. My partner brought cockroaches. And we were studying how they reacted to light. And every time we would shine a light on the area where they're out in the open, they would go right into the darkness where they couldn't be seen. Lesson to all of the new people going into this class: do not bring cockroaches. My project partner dropped one and almost caused an infestation in Mrs. Miller's class.
Last question. Question 3. What will you be taking away from this class?
Well, aside from the wealth of knowledge that I learned, nothing, because I'm taking IV Bio next year, and apparently the curriculums don't coincide, so I'm going to have to learn more.
This microscope I stole. I'm not done learning. I mean, I will not be taking a microscope. I'll be taking knowledge and affection for biology. But really, like I said, I'm not done learning. I'll be taking molecular biology in college because I really love life still. So I like this class. And this microscope.
Biology has pretty much been a lot of critical thinking and analyzing and reading problems and things about like that. So that'll really help me in situations further in school if I'm ever taking a test or stuff like that, basically. And I also recommend this class if you're really interested in IB Bio because it's a really good first step.
In conclusion, AP Bio places great importance on understanding and applying concepts, critical thinking, and general knowledge of the biological processes here on Earth. In the end, I am very happy to switch from this
Yo, video 12-3.
Video 11-3. Oh.
Yo, what up, homies?
to this.
Hi, it's Mr. Anderson.
And I hope you make the right decision, and I hope that's helpful.